Here's a view of the Makati Skyline from the Beacon Tower, Makati. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button. Right in the middle is the Amorsolo Street. A view of the Legaspi Village. On the left is the elevated skyway on the Osmeña Highway. Beside it is Brangay Pio Del Pilar in Makati. Light Sunday morning traffic in front of Walter Mart, Makati. On the right is the off-ramp to Amorsolo from the elevated skyway. You can see a glimpse of the Manila Bay and Pasay City in the foreground. The Skyway off-ramp on the Amorsolo Street. Here's another view of the Legaspi Village. Here's the view of the San Lorenzo Village. The Don Bosco School, Makati Campus. The Don Bosco Parish Church. Amorsolo Street, corner Arnaiz Avenue. may want to watch our other videos about Makati, please click the link above. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button.